Well, when I arrived in 1990, the Melbourne University Department of Ophthalmology had 5 people in it, and I was the 6th, and we were tiny. And obviously there was huge potential, and we needed to somehow harness that potential and grow the importance of ophthalmology, the academic values, the research capacity, which we're just going to call the Centre for Eye Research.
2020 has been a uniquely challenging year, but it has highlighted the importance of medical research and the work that CIRA does. So we're really excited about continuing to develop the technologies that we're using to improve the lives of patients with vision loss and blindness. So we've really tried to keep the momentum going through this year, to keep progressing our research, and really to do some of the things that Hugh Taylor had the vision to set up when he established CIRA.
Technology's transforming eye research. We're seeing advances in imaging technologies which mean that we can see aspects of the eye that we've never been able to see before.
My research involves using artificial intelligence to early detect the signs of a condition known as keratoconus. I hope that my research would be able to improve the quality of life of these patients.
The research that I do is based around trying to predict who's at highest risk of progressing from the early stages of macular degeneration to the later stages, which can have a real serious effect on someone's vision and ability to see.
Finding new treatments is what we're here to do, and there have been real advances in developing new treatments for vision loss and blindness, but there are still patients that we can't treat, and that's the focus of our work. We want to slow down vision loss in those patients, and we want to restore the vision that they've lost to improve the quality of life.
My research is in glaucoma, and recently we've been investigating vitamin B3 to look at whether you can protect nerve cells and prevent their damage to prevent vision loss in glaucoma. Current treatments for glaucoma are all targeted at lowering eye pressure. However, we know that some people can still progress and lose vision despite treatment. So new therapies to help these people are always important.
Clinical trials are important because they are the most scientific way of making sure that a treatment actually works and is safe.
Well, gene therapy can be used in a whole variety of different ways in the eye. And in my work, developing new treatments for glaucoma, we use gene therapy to make the optic nerve more resistant to injury. And ideally that will preserve vision of patients and hopefully also restore vision when patients have lost it.
My research is trying to produce a tissue-engineered cornea.
We're going to use stem cells, which are created from either skin or blood cells, and use those to build corneal transplants in the laboratory. About 12 million people worldwide are waiting on a donor cornea and can't get one.
My hope for the research is that we can provide corneal donation tissue-engineered cornea to everyone in the world who needs it.
It's an amazing time to be involved in eye research because a whole range of different technologies have come together with an improvement in our understanding of how the eye works to make things that we couldn't really conceive of a few years ago now possible.
When you do research, you not only help every single person that you see in the room, you actually have the potential of improving the life or the vision of people around the world. That possibility of really making a difference to so many people is what I think drives most of us here at CIRA.